Hello! To record screen on your Xiaomi Poco X7, first of all you'll need to get yourself in this quick access menu, you'll need to get yourself the button to record screen. So let's edit this screen, and here we have the screen recorder. Let's add it to our quick menu and let's drag it somewhere here. Alright, let's accept the changes, and here we have the screen recorder right now. So basically, if you want to record something, you simply just press it, and here we have the little floating widget, and you simply have to press the... Oh, as you can see, we cannot record right now since our battery is low. Oh, we can actually. Alright, so here you have the recording right now. That's how to record, and as you're done recording, you simply press the stop recording right here. For some reason it is not working. Oh, alright, you have to double press it since this widget is kind of like disappearing, and you have to double press the widget. And let's see, here is the video that we recorded. Here are some options of the screen recorder. So yeah, that's basically how to record screen. Thank you for watching.